marinade is strained, its rich aroma fills the kitchen. The crabs are placed in a large container, and the cooled, fragrant liquid is poured over, fully submerging them. Every crevice of the crab soaks up. Going massive with soy-marinated salmon and soy sauce crab. 10 epic recipes, all in one insane seafood feast. Classic spicy sweet garlic citrus, every flavor you crave, made with the freshest salmon and crab. I'll show you how to prep, marinate, and serve these showstoppers, step by step. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a full-on culinary adventure and mukbang ASMR experience. Get your headphones, turn up the volume, and get ready for the most mouth-watering seafood party ever. First up, the foundation of any great seafood spread. Classic soy marinade. This dish is a true legend, beloved for its simplicity and depth of flavor. It's the kind of recipe that never goes out of style, and for good reason. With a massive, beautifully marbled salmon fillet. The kind that promises both richness and tenderness. Your fish is everything here. Look for vibrant color and a fresh, clean scent. Now, we use high-quality, low-sodium soy sauce for a deep, savory base. Add a touch of mirin for gentle sweetness, a drizzle of toasted sesame oil for nutty aroma, finely sliced green onions for freshness, and a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for crunch and flavor. Carefully score the skin to help the marinade penetrate every layer. Lay the salmon in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over, making sure every inch is coated. This step is key for maximum flavor infusion. Let the salmon marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours, overnight if you have the time. Flip the fillet halfway through to ensure every bite is evenly seasoned and deeply flavorful. The result? A fillet with a deep glossy color, silky smooth texture, and layers of pure umami. The aroma alone will have you hooked before you even take a bite. Slice the marinated salmon into thick, generous pieces. Just look at that cross-section. Each slice is glistening, tender, and packed with flavor. Serve it up with a bowl of steaming hot rice and a dab of wasabi. The combination is classic, comforting, and absolutely irresistible. This dish is simple, elegant, and unbelievably delicious. It's proof that you don't need a long list of ingredients to create something truly special. This is how you kick off a seafood feast, minimalist in preparation, but absolutely mind-blowing in taste. It's a crowd pleaser that sets the tone for the meal to come. Ready for more? Let's move to the next unforgettable. Spice lovers, this one's for you. Spicy soy-marinated salmon. The base soy sauce and mirin, add gochujang, gochugaru, sliced red chilies, and chili oil. Mix until you get a fiery, vibrant red marinade. Rub it deep into another giant salmon fillet. Marinate for 4-6 hours. The color intensifies, and the aroma is unreal. Slice to reveal chili flakes and a gorgeous red tint. Serve with rice and cooling cucumber. Each bite, savory, sweet, then a wave of heat. It's addictive, layered, and next level. Not just spicy, flavor-packed. This is a game changer for salmon. Ready for something sweet? Let glossy glaze over a giant salmon fillet. Marinate 2-3 hours, just enough for flavor, not too much to cure. The salmon glistens with a deep amber glaze. Slice to reveal sticky, sweet, and tender fish. Garnish with sesame seeds and scallions. Each bite sweet, savory, aromatic, and rich. It's like salmon candy. Comfort food, elevated, perfect for anyone with a sweet tooth. Next up, garlic lovers. A whole head of garlic, half minced, half sliced, and fried into crispy chips. Mix the garlic oil and chips into soy sauce and mirin. Pour over the salmon, spreading garlic everywhere. Marinate for 4 hours for deep, layered flavor. Slice and top with extra garlic chips for crunch. The result? Buttery salmon, crispy garlic, pure umami. It's aromatic, bold, and unforgettable. Garlic takes center stage here. Now, let's brighten things up with... Time for a fresh twist. Citrus soy marinated salmon. Need soy sauce, mirin, zest and juice of lemon, lime, and orange. Mix vibrant, tangy, and aromatic base. Pour over the salmon. Marinate just 1-2 hours to avoid over-curing. The edges turn slightly opaque. The center stays pink. Garnish with citrus zest and fresh herbs. Each bite, savory, bright, and refreshing. Perfect for a light, sunny meal. The citrus cuts through the richness beautifully. That's our salmon lineup. Now onto the crabs. Let's get cracking. Now, let's meet Korean seafood, traditional soy sauce crab, or ganjang-gaejang. This dish is legendary, often called rice thief, because it's so delicious, you'll find bowls of rice just to savor every last drop of its sauce. It's a true delicacy, celebrated for its bold flavors and unique texture, with the freshest blue crabs, still alive and glistening on ice. Each crab is carefully cleaned. Every bite is pure and sweet. Only the best crabs make the cut for this iconic dish. A symphony of flavors. Soy sauce, water, sugar, onion, ginger, garlic, kombu, shiitake mushrooms, and a single dried chili are simmered together. This mixture is gently cooked to draw out deep umami notes, then cooled to preserve the delicate crab meat. Once the marinade is strained, its rich aroma fills the kitchen. The crabs are placed in a large container, and the cooled, fragrant liquid is poured over, fully submerging them. Every crevice of the crab soaks up the marinade. Now, patience is key. The crabs marinate in the fridge for 3 days, allowing the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. This slow process transforms the crab, making it tender and flavorful. The result is magical, seasoned, jelly-like meat, and rich, creamy roe. The texture is unlike anything else, silky and luxurious, with every bite bursting with savory goodness. To serve, crack open the shell and mix warm rice with the golden roe and sweet crab meat. The flavors meld together, creating a mouth-watering combination that's both comforting and decadent. Each bite is a celebration, luxurious, savory, and truly unforgettable. The taste lingers, making you crave more. Sharing ganjang-gaejang with friends or family is the ultimate Korean seafood experience. The deep flavor and unique texture make it a dish everyone remembers. This is why people go crazy for soy sauce crab. It's a taste of tradition, luxury, and pure joy in every bite. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can add a spicy twist. Fresh chili peppers bring a fiery kick to the classic marinade. Let's turn up the heat and discover a whole new side to this untouchable Korean classic. Meet Yeongnyeom-gaejang, spicy soy sauce crab. Cleaned crabs into pieces for maximum sauce coverage. Sauce gochugaru, fine and coarse. Gochujang, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, honey, and sesame oil, mixed into a thick, fiery paste. Toss crab pieces and roe in the sauce until every bit is coated. Eat right away for crunch, or chill for deeper flavor. Serve as a pile of vibrant red crab. Each bite sweet, savory, garlicky, and seriously spicy. It's messy, bold, and totally addictive. The ultimate flavor bomb for spice. Add some warmth with ginger soy sauce crab. Classic, but with a warming twist. Water, sugar, and a massive amount of sliced fresh ginger, simmered with garlic and onion. Cool, then pour over whole cleaned crabs. Marinate for 3 days to infuse every bite. The result, subtle, aromatic, and comforting. Crack open the shell. Ginger enhances the sweetness of the crab and roe. It's elegant, clean, and deeply satisfying. Ginger doesn't overpower, it elevates. A refined take on a classic. Now sweet soy sauce crab. Decadent, sweet and salty perfection. Water, lots of dark brown sugar, honey, and slices of apple or pear, simmered with aromatics. Cool, then pour over cleaned crabs. Marinate for 2 days for a deep, glossy glaze. The shells turn dark and shiny. The roe is sweet and complex. Mix rice into the shell to soak up every drop. Each bite salty umami and caramelized sweetness. It's like seafood candy, unique and indulgent. Perfect for those who crave sweet and savory. Now for the grand finale. The grand finale, garlic butter soy sauce crab. This dish is the showstopper, the one that brings everyone to the table with anticipation and excitement. Imagine the perfect marriage of sweet, briny crab, rich butter, and the deep umami of soy sauce, all coming together in one unforgettable bite. Fresh meaty crabs in a blend of light soy sauce, mirin, plenty of crushed garlic, and slices of fresh ginger. Let them soak up all those flavors for a full 24 hours in the fridge. This step is crucial. It infuses the crab with a savory, aromatic base that will shine through in every mouthful. Next, melt a generous amount of butter in a hot pan. Don't be shy. This is where the magic happens. Add a mountain of minced garlic and let it sizzle until fragrant, then pour in a splash of that flavorful marinade. The kitchen will instantly fill with the most mouth-watering aroma. Carefully add the marinated crab pieces to the bubbling garlic butter sauce. Toss them gently, making sure every nook and cranny is coated in that luscious, savory mixture. The sauce will start to cling to the shells, promising a burst of flavor in every bite. Cook the crabs until their shells turn a vibrant, appetizing red, and the sauce thickens to a glossy, rich consistency. The transformation is mesmerizing. The sauce bubbles and reduces, intensifying all those incredible flavors. The aroma is absolutely intoxicating. Waves of garlic, creamy butter, and savory soy sauce fill the air, making it impossible not to sneak a taste. Serve the crabs piping hot, piled high on a platter, and don't forget to drizzle over plenty of extra sauce. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh herbs for a pop of color and freshness. Crack open those shells and dig in. The meat inside is tender, juicy, and absolutely saturated with buttery, garlicky, umami-packed goodness. It's a hands-on, messy affair, but that's part of the fun. The richness of the sauce, the sweetness of the crab, and the bold flavors make every bite unforgettable. This is the ultimate fusion of flavors. East meets West in the most delicious way possible. Every element, from the marinade to the finishing herbs, plays a role in creating a dish that's both comforting and exciting. The most decadent way to end this feast. Gather your loved ones, dig in and savor every last bite. That's a soy-marinated salmon and crab recipes, all in one epic feast. Look at this garlic citrus, every flavor, every texture. I hope you're inspired to try these at home. Let me know your favorite in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insane food challenges. Thanks for joining this wild culinary adventure. Now, it's time to eat. See you in the next video.